Bollywood industry is making headlines for all the wrong reasons. After drugs and Panama Papers scandal, Bollywood diva Jacqueline Fernandez is in a hot soup over the 200 crore rupees extortion case. An alleged love story, 2000 crore scam, and promises for movie projects. What seems to be like a movie plot turned into a reality for houseful actress Jacqueline Fernandez. The Enforcement Directorate has now issued a lookout notice for the Bollywood actor. With an ongoing extortion case against Jacqueline Fernandez, the actress cannot leave India. She was recently stopped at Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. Despite repeated pleas by the Bollywood diva to cancel the notice, Enforcement Directorate officials refused to pay heed to Jacqueline's request. Jacqueline wanted to leave the country for some professional commitments. But $1 million question arises as to how the actress got entangled in the extortion case. Entangled in super chore Sukesh Chandrasekhar's web of deceit, Sri Lankan beauty queen has been grilled by Enforcement Directorate 4 times so far. Faked a call with spoof numbers, mimicked the voice of a high-ranking government official. Yes, this is how conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar cast his web over stars like Jacqueline Fernandez. The conman even pretended to be a relative of former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha. According to Bollywood actor Jacqueline Fernandez, Sukesh Chandrasekhar tried to get in touch with the actress in December 2020 and January 2021, but she did not respond to his calls. After repeatedly coaxing the actress, she finally got in touch with the conman when he was on parole. She even flew to Chennai to meet Sukesh. The conman even gave money and a luxurious gift to Jacqueline. According to Jacqueline's statement, Sukesh loaned $150,000 to actor's sister Geraldine in the US. Transferred 15 lakh rupees into the star's brother's account in Australia. 15 lakh rupees delivered to Jacqueline's account. Purchased a horse for the actor. That is not all. As a web of deceit got even murkier, conman Sukesh Kumar said that he has gifted Jacqueline luxury items. The list is long and sparkling. 7 crore rupees worth of jewelry. Cartier bangles and rings from Tiffany. 5 Birkin bags. Gucci and Rolex watch. Mini Cooper and BMW vehicles. Currently, Sukesh is lodged in Tihar jail with 15 FIRs against him. Besides Jacqueline Fernandez, even actors like Nora Fatehi received luxurious gifts, putting actors in a tough spot as the saga continues.